This past weekend would have marked the 100th birthday of one of my heroes, Charles Schulz, the creator of the Peanuts comic strip and so many timeless TV specials. To mark this milestone, I'll tell you how I was fortunate enough to meet Mr. Schulz. For starters, Charles Sparky Schulz lived out in California. When I was 8, I did too. At the time, my dad worked for a now-defunct NHL hockey team called the Oakland Seals, and one of their season ticket holders was Charles Schulz. Knowing I liked to draw, my dad must have told me about Schulz being at all the Seals games. One day I got it in my head that I was going to bring a drawing I had done in art class of a horse to one of the games to show Mr. Schulz, which I did. So in the middle of the game, 8-year-old me walked up to Charles Schulz's seat and showed him my horse drawing. All I remember of that moment was asking if he could sign the back of my drawing and then racing back to my seat. It was then I discovered that he had not only signed the back of my horse drawing, but he had also drawn Snoopy. From that moment on, I wanted to be a cartoonist just like Sparky Schulz. Years later, after landing my first syndicated comic strip, I wrote him, told him the story as a way of thanking him for inspiring me, and we ended up corresponding until his passing in 2000. To my hero, Charles Schulz, wishing you a heartfelt happy 100th birthday.